Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you fix PS5 left stick drift. This common issue can be frustrating, causing your in-game character or camera to move without your input. We'll explore easy, actionable steps to get your controller working correctly again. You'll learn about the main reasons for drift and how to address them, often without needing any special tools. Let's dive in and restore your precise gaming control. First, let's try some basic troubleshooting. Turn off your PS5 console, then locate the small reset button on the back of your controller. Use a straightened paperclip or pin to press and hold this button for about 5 seconds. After resetting, reconnect your controller with a USB-C cable and turn on your console. Also, check for any available software updates for both your controller and the PS5 system itself, as outdated firmware can sometimes cause drift. Next, let's tackle physical obstructions. Grab a can of compressed air and gently spray around the base of each analog stick to dislodge any trapped dust or debris. For a deeper clean, use a cotton swab very lightly dampened with 90% or higher isopropyl alcohol to wipe around the stick's edges. After cleaning, push each analog stick down for about 10 seconds, then rotate it clockwise and counterclockwise several times to help realign internal components. If drift persists, some games offer a dead zone setting in their controller options. Increasing this slightly can sometimes mask minor drift. For severe cases, where cleaning and resetting don't help, professional repair or replacing the analog stick modules might be necessary, though this often voids warranties. To prevent future drift, regularly clean your controller and avoid excessive force on the sticks. Taking these steps can extend your controller's lifespan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.